In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing text effect in Photoshop. First, select the horizontal type tool. Go to Window and choose the character. And just copy these settings. Click on your image and type out your text. Select the Move tool and move the text. Go to the filter and convert for smart filters. Press Ctrl and T on your keyboard to select the free transform tool. Right-click and choose the warp. Click and drag the handles to determine the right bend for the banana. Hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. Select the background layer. Go to Select and choose the subject. Press Ctrl and J on your keyboard to make a copy of layer. Move the layer one above the text layer. Go to Layer and choose the Create Clipping Mask. And turn off the background layer. Press Ctrl and J on your keyboard to make a copy of layer 1. Press and hold Alt on your keyboard and click on the layer mask icon. And make sure the foreground color is white. Select the Brush tool and choose the hard round brush. And the opacity, 100%, flow, 100%. Make sure the mask not the layer is selected. Press the left and right square bracket key to increase or decrease brush size. And paint these areas. Select the background layer. And create a new layer. In the color picker, choose black color. Select the brush tool and change the soft round brush. And the opacity, 100%, flow, 100%. Click on your image and create a shadow. Press Ctrl and T on your keyboard to select the free transform tool. Press and hold Shift and Alt on your keyboard as you drag. Hit Enter or Return on your keyboard. And reduce the opacity of layer 2 to 60%. Select the background layer. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose solid color. In the color picker, you can choose whatever color you like. And click OK. And this is the result.